In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error. Due to restrictions set for this device, this app cannot be downloaded on an iPhone. So first, go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This is where Apple lets you manage restrictions, app usage, and permissions on your device. After opening Screen Time, scroll down a bit and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This section controls what actions are allowed or blocked on your iPhone, including downloading apps. If this setting is turned on, it can sometimes prevent apps from being installed. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Inside here, you'll see different options related to installing, deleting, and making purchases for apps. Tap on Installing Apps to check its current setting. Now make sure it's set to Allow. If it's set to Don't Allow, that's exactly what causes the error when you try to download an app. Simply switch it to Allow, and that should immediately fix the issue. Once you've done that, go back and try downloading the app again from the App Store. It should now work without showing that restriction error. This issue usually happens when screen time restrictions are enabled, either accidentally or set up earlier for parental controls. So if you ever run into this problem again, you'll know exactly where to check and fix it. And that's it. Open Settings, go to Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, then iTunes and App Store purchases, select Installing Apps, and set it to Allow. So that's how you fix the due to restrictions set for this device error on your iPhone.